To export your Rocket Money bill negotiation data, follow these steps. First, log into your Rocket Money account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your negotiated bills are listed. Click on the specific bill you want to export, and a detailed view of the bill will appear. Look for the Options or Settings icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options, including export or download. Select the export option to proceed with exporting your bill negotiation data. You will be prompted to choose the format in which you want to export the data, such as PDF or CSV. Choose the format that best suits your needs and click on the Export button. The data will be downloaded to your device, and you can then use it as needed. It is a good practice to regularly export and review your bill negotiation data to track your progress and stay on top of your expenses. Additionally, exporting your data can be useful for record-keeping purposes or for sharing with your accountant or financial advisor. By following these steps, you can easily export your Rocket Money bill negotiation data and make the most out of the service.